combination of smile and attitude gives birth to Smute. It speaks about positive lifestyle. Hello and welcome to Smute Talks. Smute Life gladly presents the journey of influencers and bloggers. She believed she could, so she did. Smute Talks gladly welcomes Mrs. Ruby Shah, a mom, a fitness freak, and a lifestyle influencer. Ruby, can we have your short introduction?
Hey, hi everyone, I'm Ruby, a CS and a lawyer by profession and a mother of a 4-year-old. Here I am to share the glimpse of my beautiful journey of parenting, motherhood, fitness and much more.
Well, that was a great introduction. So Ruby, how long have you been on this platform?
Well, I'll be completing a year on the 16th June.
Please tell us about your strengths that helped you in your journey.
My strength in this beautiful journey would be my husband and my daughter. My husband has always helped me to balance my life socially and at home, and especially my daughter. She does everything, she listens to everything, and she cooperates so well. I'm blessed.
Wow, those are some amazing strengths. Please share with us one of the most challenging moments as a mom blogger.
Most challenging moment I would say is whatever you post, people will definitely judge you. And it used to happen a lot in the start, where I used to get very depressed or offended or probably sad, thinking, am I actually doing right or no? But then later I realized, I guess we all moms know how to take care of a child, and whatever we are doing is best. So let's just avoid what people say or comment, because I think we know the best and we should definitely continue what our gut says.
Well, being a mom is not an easy job, but still you have done some pretty amazing job and overcome many obstacles. So Ruby, how do you think your content influences the audience?
Well, I think it influences them, and that's what keeps me motivated to continue this journey. I get lots of DM on the activities I do with Anaya, then regarding my fitness routine, the different hairstyles I do, and various questions on how I keep myself energetic, how I'm making Anaya be so active and involved in all the activities. So I think that keeps me.
Well, I am pretty much sure that our audience is quite influenced by you. What kind of content do you like to cover on your feed and why?
Well, I cover everything related to my real life, be it parenting, fashion, fitness, or my lifestyle. Well, why? Because I feel if me posting anything or saying anything, if it motivates or boosts even a tiny bit of energy or positivity in the other person, then why not? I love to describe how I keep the kids engaged, as well as how to stay fit, and meanwhile how to not miss on the fashion. Well, it describes everything that I am.
That's a very beautiful reason, Ruby. I'm sure the audience connects with your content. Well, my next question to you is, what inspired you to be an influencer?
My inspiration in this beautiful journey, I would say, all the moms out there. You guys are the one who inspires me to never give up, to continue the journey with lots and lots of informative posts or some helpful activities or whatever I do. Love you all. Keep motivating and keep inspiring me. Thanks for being there.
Inspiration is one of the most important steps towards success, and I'm sure you have influenced a lot of moms today. Ruby, I'm sure your kid loves you, and that is an amazing experience that you shared. Can you tell me your favorite influencers or bloggers?
My favorite bloggers and influencers are, I have two favorite mommy bloggers. Rini Raja, she's so real. I just love her work. Like, she's amazing. And the other one is Shrima Rai. She's such a sweetheart. She's a very down-to-earth mommy and always there to help. And I have two more fashion bloggers who are my favorite. Ashna Shroff and Komal Pandey. We all know they are amazing at their work. Hats off to all four of them. I just love their work.
Oh, so that's why they are your favorite. That's amazing. Well, as I said earlier, being a mother is not an easy job. So, how will you describe your motherhood?
It's definitely not an easy job. Trust me when I say this. It's the biggest challenge is how you evaluate your time because you cannot miss on giving less time to your kids. So you have to balance life equally, spending time with kid plus on the social media.
You have a great real and real supporting family, and you obviously have balanced both beautifully. You have inspired a lot of moms today. What would be your suggestions for the upcoming mom bloggers?
I guess all mommies are multi-talented. I'm sure when it comes to their kids or their kitchen or family, they all know how to balance their life. Plus, I actually have a set routine of my own entire day. I never skip on my workouts, then preparing new dishes for my husband, doing new activities with Anaya, or playing some new games with her. I like to balance everything really well.
So, lastly, do you have any advice for our mommy readers?
To all the mommies out there, I would say live life to the fullest. Don't give up. Be strong. And if you fail, cry it out, but in private. And always remember, if you're going through a bad phase, the quote says, "This too shall pass," and it will. Trust me. Just have faith and live your life. Lots of love. Ruby.
That's a wonderful tip, Ruby. All the upcoming mom bloggers should note this.
Well, one thing I would recommend for sure, be genuine and 100% real. For example, if any brand is approaching you and you think that brand you're not going to use it for your kid or for yourself, then be confident to say no. Don't post it on your feed because people are going to do what you do and people are going to follow you. So just be natural.
Well, that's a great piece of advice. Thank you, Ruby. Well, it was wonderful to know about your struggles and challenges throughout your journey. Thank you, Ruby. This was Ruby Shah on Smoot Talks. It was great having you, Ruby. Smoot wishes you a good fortune.